I'm Asad Ahmad and welcome to my channel Chota Tutor. Today we are going to know about some amazing facts. Number 1. Do you know owls cannot move their eyeballs? Number 2. Do you know the bird called the Egyptian Plover bird eats food stuck between the crocodile's teeth, so the teeth are cleaned, and also crocodile doesn't eat the bird. Number 3. Do you know a bird with 8 to 10 legs, a Jacana Bird, carrying its hatchlings under its wings? Number 4. Do you know this is Shima Enaga, a Japanese bird who looks like a cotton ball? Number 5. Do you know the Lyre Bird can mimic almost any sounds it hears? Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.